cassette plate. Kaya hindi naman ang lakto yan. So, possible. Eh kung magbalik siya, maputol, it's already yielding. Or in the case of welding, yielding is basically equals not to your rupture. Why is that? May mga baga. So your gross area is the same as net area, and then effective. The reason, no? Mag-matter lang to us, or it's you. Mag-matter lang if uniform in your connection. The same lang yan po na you have your cables. So, dili lang sure mag-layos in yield. You're going to check that again. Kung inside the phase. Ang welding ba, okay, or ito yung tension. So, we don't have an example kung ang base metal ang dito. But anyway, so kadalasan for the weld na sample. For the base metal, so F, ano na siya? F, that's the stress of your base metal. So in that case, that's E992. So that's 345 milliapascals. By the way, no, I started checking your twist stick. Naman to siya ay sa ito twist stick. Naman to ay yung medya pa na. So compact section pa lang, lima na po sa'yo. Kaya sa ito para sa 3.38. 3.76, no? E over FY. Ang given sa problem ko ay 336. Pero ang ginamit din ito ay 345. 248 dapat.
Overthink naman.
At least, dili 20 ako kasi kung kita. Last semester din ako ay 29,000 ang dinaanin instead of 200. So, nalang 40 ako.
48. Magkano kung gamit?
So, ayaw kalimot. 36 ito mga given. We can discuss more sa ito pag sa questions for welding so that we can proceed to the bolts. One problem lang for the bolts, pero parang cover ka lang, shift it up and pull